Let's start solving questions based on number theory. Okay, this is the first question, a simple question. Find the value of x if 358,504x x6 divisible by 3, and here x is the digit, right? X is the digit. This is the digit. So, so, so the rule of 3. What is the rule of 3? 3, 5, 8, 504 x 6. How much you got this one all together? Correct. 41 plus x. That must be divisible by 3. Correct, no? So x value if plug in 2, how much will get resultant? 33, which is divisible by 3. Right answer. Let's go ahead with question this one. Tell me answer for this quickly within 30 seconds. Hmm. 3. Yeah, usually say 10 to the power 1 minus 7. How much you get? 3. 10 to the power 2 minus 7. How much will get? 93. Or 10 to the power 3 minus 7. How much will get? 993. So these all the numbers divisible by what number? 3 only, no? So what, let's say then, so we have a 10 to the power 25 minus 7. How many 9s should be there? How many 9s? 24 9s. And the last one 3. This is also divisible by 3. So trap answer is given. Remember, many will say 9 also, but it's wrong answer. My answer must be 3. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. Tell me quickly. Which are the hmm, careful, careful, careful. Don't forget the option pattern. Option pattern, look at the kind of questions it is. What kind of questions we have? Ah, at least one correct answer. Don't forget. Hmm. The multiples of 3 and factors of, right? So multiples of 3 means what? Table 3, 6, 9, 12. And the factors means what? Which can divide this number. Okay. No, which can divide. Factors will divide it. Correct. No. So is it possible 3? Correct. 3. What about 6? No. What about 9? Yes. 18? No. 27? 81? My answer must be option A, option C, option B. Correct? Yeah. Let's go ahead with this. Tell me answer for this. Interesting question. What should be? That's all. How did you solve it? Correct. So what is the value of x I can plug in? Can I say 4 into 4? Can I say 7 also? Correct, no? So 4x plus 3. What is the remainder here? So what is x here? As a quotient. It could be any number. Correct? So x is 1, I'll get 7. Complete number is 7. Correct? So I can say this way I can say x equals, I can say 4q plus 3. Correct. Now what is x? X equals 4q. What is q? Number is a quotient. So I can plug in q equals any number. 1, 2, 3. So this is x7. I can say also if q equals 2, how much will get? 11. Also possible 11 also, no? Correct, no? X also possible 11. Right? X also, if your q equals 3, so I get also 15. Also possible 15 and so on. What about here? Tell me. Same thing. I can say y equals 4 into q plus 2. So I can plug in q. Why not? 6. Y can be 6. Y can be 10 also, I think. No? Correct, no? So let's take the smallest number, 6. Or here, 7. Same thing here. So 7 plus 6 divided by how much? 1. Remainder is 1. This is the also example of remainder theorem. Remainder theorem says that whatever number is given here, take the remainder, add them, because adding here, no? So add them together or divide by the same divisor. I'll get the same remainder. This is also remainder theorem. So add the remainders and divide by the same divisor. I'll get same remainder. Okay. Let's go ahead with this one. X and y are positive integers and x is a multiple of 5. So careful while doing it. Very careful. We have to check one by one. So A, B, C, D. Quantity A is given the remainder when Z divided by 5. And is given the remainder when Z divided by 10. Correct? And we have a now equation 2x plus 5y equals Z. Tell me. Conditions keep in mind. Both are positive. And x is a multiple of 5. So how much x will assume? Assume x and tell me. 10. So if x is 10, then what about the z? If x is 10, what about the z? Plug in x equals 10 here in the equation. 20 plus 5. So y can assume anything, no? Y can be any number, positive number. Let's say y equals 1. So how much you'll get? Z equals how much? 50. Right? Now plug in. How much we'll get here in the quantity A? 0. What about here? 5, no? Remainder is 5. No, I mean, if take 15, remainder is 5, no? So which two options can be eliminated? A will be eliminated and C will be eliminated. Now, can you assume any other number which may eliminate option number B? So x equals 5, correct? And y can be 1. How much will get? Z equals 10, 10 plus 15. This is 25 now here. The first one is 25 now. 25 and same thing. and this is 15. Same thing I'll get, no? Y equals to 2 you take. What is happening then? 20. 20. Now see what happens here. What is the first one? Remainder 0. Also remainder 0. Which means B also eliminate. Option number. This kind of question, no, don't be in a hurry. You will get this kind of questions where it looks very simple, but people get mistake. Okay, let's go ahead with this. If x and y are positive integers, and 15x equals root 735y, what is the least possible value of x plus y? Squaring on both sides will get the answer, but try to do other way. That way also get the answer, but the simplest way you try. What do you do? Just factorize this one. You'll get some idea. 735 factorize it. Divide by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, and 3 5s are correct, no? Divide by 5 9. 5 4s are 20, 5 9s. Divide by 7. So what we are getting? Can I say 15 into x? Can I say 7? Correct. 7 is square into 3 into 5. Make sense? Are you getting some idea? Tell me. Y must be 15, so per. So, and what about x should be? What should be x should be? Oh my goodness, did you understand? That's all. It will come out, no? 7. So x equals to 7 and y equals. So what is the answer? X plus y. 22 is the answer. It's much more easier, no? Than squaring both sides and then you will get the equations. No? That kind of, you should avoid those kind of paperwork. Otherwise, it will take much time. So we can compare both sides easily. Because this is 15, I'll get one more 15, it will come out. 7 also coming out. So 15 into x equals 7 into 15. Correct? So y must be 15, which means x must be 7 to make it equal. Good. Let's try this question. Sure, I'll give you time 20 seconds. What is the answer again? M must be integer, which means it will get cancelled completely. So the 19, how do you, 13 into 7 into 3. Correct, no? So 13 gone. Sorry, not 17, 13 gone. 13 gone. And 7 also. Correct, what is left out? 2 into 3 into 5 into 8 into 17. Divide by. That's all, no? So if n equals 14 is possible, not possible. If n equals 21, also not possible. 38, also not possible. 68, if n equals 68, it's possible to cancel completely the denominator. 68 means what? How do you do it? How do you break it? 68. 68 into, no. How do you cancel it? How do you break 68 factors? This is this is 52, no? Correct. 68 only. 17 also gone and 4 also gone from here. Good. The answer is 68. Yeah, good one. But not 20 seconds, huh? Virtually. I told you 20 seconds. Okay, chalo, no problem. Try next one. Here we go. 20 seconds. When 30 more seconds. Time's up. No idea. I'll give you the hint. Look at this. Am I okay? Let's say 5 factorial. Take 5 is simpler 5 factorial. Divide by 3 power m. So what is the value of m, highest value, so that it will get cancelled? There is no denominator, which means remainder is 0. Correct. No, remainder is 0 means what? Correct. Correct. So what is the highest value of 3? What is the highest value of 3 to get cancelled? Sorry, highest value of m. M. Correct. What is the value of m? Value of m is 1. No. Maximum is 1. What is the minimum? 0. If m equal to 0, what happens here? 1. 1 can divide completely. Remainder is 0. Or m equals 1 means 3. Also will get cancelled. So what is I'm looking for? Number of 3's, no? So how many 3 in this factorial terms? Now here, how many 3 in the 15 factorial? How do you find out? So one idea is going through the methodical approach. You write complete number. Right? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 6, sure, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here, and we have also 3 here, and also 3 here, right? So this 3 here. Why 3 power 0? 0 is the maximum, m is the maximum value. Maximum is 0. What is the question here? So where is 3 here? There is no 3 here, no? Don't look at the powers. Where is 3 you are getting in 1? So I'm just finding number of 3, that's all. How many number of 3 is in the 15 factorial? So I'll get 3. So how many 3's I'll get all together? 1, sorry, 1 here, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, that's all. Oh, there is one more. 1 minute here, 1 minute just. बोलिए. She did not tell you. She would have. Write it down here. Yeah, line. That's okay. I will do it later. Tirumala? Tirumala for? Temple. Okay, Tirupati. You got the pass. How did you go? Did you go through the pass? Ticket you booked it online. Who gave you? Okay. You're from Andhra Pradesh. Where? Which place? Nellore. Okay. Nellore. Kadapa. Correct. I know. USN number. First make a line, my dear. This one is a different. Section also. Section 10. USN date, department, section, time. Yesterday 10. Good morning. You did not sleep well last night, I think. Slept well. The tickets are available, going there easily online. How can you get ticket there? But we have to go when the window opens, no? Always, anytime. Okay. Okay. Done. Timing is you is 10:45 to 12:45. You don't get the pass. Also, people get pass also, no? Some VIP pass. What I heard, people get VIP pass. Correct. 10,500 for one person per person. Oh my goodness. For baby also they'll charge. Uh, no, he is, let's say, 1 year old. 1 year old baby. Okay. Okay. Uh, Fine. Done. That's all. Chalo. Take care. I'll check it. That's okay. You cover that one. Cover the content, whatever we discussed in the class. No? You cover the content. You show me, but content should be covered. Yes, Varshini, are you there? See, there is one more. There is one more way of doing it. There is one strategy is there. let's say I want to find out number of 5 in any factorial terms. What I'll do, one small strategy. 1 minute. So whatever terms are there, no 15, divide by 3. How much you'll get here? The quotient 5. Now take 5 again, divide by 3. How much you'll get the quotient here? 1. Quotient 1. Take 1 again, divide by 3. What is the quotient I'll get? 0. Correct, no? So add all this together, that is number of 3. How many 3 will have? Highest power is 6. Correct, no? So the answer is 6 here. Now they may ask, tell me the number, so 100 factorial divide by 10 to the power m. What is the highest power of m so that the remainder is 0? Tell me the answer quickly. Use the strategy and tell me the answer. Highest power of m. Minimum m, highest power of value m. Minimum m equals to 0, no problem. That is the minimum value. What is the maximum? Not 11. Do it this strategy. I told you just now a strategy here. Uh, we we have to factorize it. No, this one 5 into 2. The prime number, keep in the mind. We'll get so many. No, this one. Say if one pair means 1 0. Now here is not a problem. 3 is itself is uh, the prime number. You can't break it further. But here you have to break it further. 5 and 2. Correct. Then 1 5 1 5 1 2 means one pair. If one pair means what? 1 0. I mean you will cancel it here. But we have to find out number of pairs. How many pairs will get it? Divide by 5. 100 divided by 5. How much will get? 20. Again divide by 5. I'll get 4. Again divide by 5. 0. How many 5 will get? How many 5? 24 5. So how many 2's I'll get? If how many 2's I'll get more. Correct, no? I'll get more. So how many pairs we can get? 24 pairs no only. So 24 is the highest value. Because 100 factorial, what I'll get at the last, I'll get number of 0 only, no? I'll get 0 0 0 0 0 0. Correct? So we'll get cancel 0 0, then we'll remainder is 0. This was the one question in GRE last year. Understood what I'm saying? Now, in the 15 factorial, how many number of 2's? Then what should be the answer? Let's say 15 factorial divided by 2 power m. What is the value of m, the highest value of m? What I'll do now? I'll divide by 2. I'll get 7. 7 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 2, 1. Correct. 11. If you go manually also, I'll get 11 only. I'll get 1 2 here, right? I'll get 2 2's here, 1 this 2 2's here. Correct, no? I'll get so many 2's. If you go manually also, I'll get 11. Okay, let's understood this concept. Let's go ahead with the next. Here we go. Chalo, let's try this. 30 seconds time. Option number 2 and 3. Okay, good. That's all. Number system is gone. Let's go ahead. Different topic. different topic. We have polygon. Very simple. We'll complete it within 10-20 minutes. Polygon, you know what is the meaning of polygon, no? What do you mean by regular polygon? What do you mean by regular polygon? What is the difference between two words? One word is polygon, one word is regular polygon. What is the difference? Have you heard this before? Polygon means the closed figure, right? More than two sides, closed figure is called polygon. Which means what is the smallest polygon we have? Triangle. Then square, right? Quadrilateral, let's say quadrilateral. Then pentagon, then hexagon, and so on. What is a regular polygon is all the sides must be equal. That is correct. That is called regular polygon. So triangle is a regular polygon. Which triangle? Which triangle? That is called regular polygon. If the given regular pentagon, so all the sides must be equal. If hexagon, all sides are equal. Pentagon, all sides are equal. That is called regular. Okay. Now there are a few things that you should keep in the mind. The sum of interior angles of any polygon, make a note, that is n minus 2 into 180. What is n here? Number of sides. If the triangle, it means n equals 3. If the quadrilateral, n equals 4. If pentagon, n equals 5, and so on. And also very important, exterior angle means what? Let's say this is the polygon we have, right? So this is the exterior angle, right? This is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. How to find out? 360 divided by n. You can find that. And the total number of diagonals, always keep in the mind, n into n minus 3 divided by number of diagonals, right? Or there is one more formula, nc2 minus n. Understood? The one more formula combination. N is the number of sides. So nc2 minus n. Okay. Now, or regular polygon can perfectly inscribe within the circle. Means what it means inscribed? Inside. Correct. That's called inscribed. What is circumscribed? Outside the circle. Correct. Correct. That's all I want to do. Now, this is the one question. Tell me what is the answer you get. Hexagon given, no? This is given. Good. So what is S equals? 19.5 divided by 6. What about your octagon, right? So it means 8, 26. So S equals 26 by 8. Which is the greater? Which is greater? Correct. Equal. Right? So people here also people get confused looking at the value, no? So many will say that second is more, but careful. No? The answer is good. Let's go ahead with this. Try this one. For the pentagon shown, why this is not regular polygon, not regular. So this is given how much? 80. Correct. So when is a 4x plus 80? What is sum of remember what is sum of angles? Correct. So 5 minus 2 pentagon, no? 5 minus 2 into 1. Correct. X equals 1 1. Wonderful. Quantity is good. Very good. Let's try this one. The formula is already given, where radius is the correct 64 pi. Very simple, no? How much given the circumference of the base? It means 2 pi r equals 8 pi. So what is r radius? 4. What is the height? 4. So just plug in here. That's all, no? Good. Okay. Look at this. Just a minute. Ravi sir, no, I had, but I am out now. Yeah, I understand. That's why I wanted to ask you, what's your program? Oh, you can have lunch. No, I'll start from here 1 o'clock. Hmm, correct. Or hmm, we'll get late. But hmm, hmm. So when you will come? I Are you coming? What time? 1 o'clock I'll reach. Anytime you can come. After 1:30, anytime you can come. Hmm. No, I'll order from the big basket. Yeah. Uh, we'll plan dosa at least. Dosa, sambar, chutney. Yeah, I have mixed it. The coconut chutney, right? I don't know how to remove coconut from that shell. The hard shell will be there, no? Ah, okay, okay, right, right, right. So reach. So you will reach by 1:30. You will reach by 1:30. Done, 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 done. Come, comes up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will send you. I will send you. Okay. Take car, na sir. Take car, please. We'll go for a airport ride. We'll go for some time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In the evening, we'll go to airport ride. Today, no traffic will be there. Saturday today. No, no, no. Saturday, no traffic. No, no office and all closed. I'll send you right away. Right away. Just you type Brigade El Dorado. That's all. Brigade El Dorado. That's why this is very famous in Bangalore. It's a village, no? That's why. Brigade El Dorado in village. Take care. Okay. Is it Monday? Where you traveling? Back to? Okay. Oh. You take me also, no? I'll also come with. Okay, fine. We'll talk. Come. Okay, sir. Bye. I'm sending you. Yes, Varshini, I'm back. Tell me, you got the answer for this question? Hmm. It's very simple. Cube A and cube B. You can assume it. Okay, let's say L width and height. Can we assume cube A is 10 here? Can you assume 10 and 10, let's say. So what about the cube B height? The E is given here, length A. The length of width of rectangular solid B is 20% greater than the, so length would be how much here? No, 20% greater, no? 12, correct? 12. And what about the breadth? Width 10% less, so 9. What about the height? Right? So 13, correct, no? That's all. That's all. So what is the volume I'll get here? What is the volume I'll get here? 1000. Let's check it out. What is the volume I'll get here? 1404. How much increment? 404 is an increment. So what is the base value, initial value? 1000. Good one. We have discussed all this, remember, then percentage. So correct. The answer must be 40.4. Good. You got the same answer. So why this much late? You got so much late. Man, tell me where do you stuck? You did not understand. This is rectangular, no? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Fine, good one. Let's take this one. Option equal. The greatest distance between any two vertices. This is the formula, under root. Correct, correct, correct. So how much will get? 36, 64, 100. Correct, no? Mm-hmm. This is not triangle. Huh? We can do it. So how much altogether will have? 200, which means 10 root 2. Good. Option is C. Here we go. This one we try. Which one? The area of a circle B. Are you sure? Check it once again. The area of a circle A is twice the area of circle B. And the diameter of circle A is given how much? X. What is the radius? Should be x by 2. Correct? Can we assume a good number of x? Can we assume good number? Can you say 4? Diameter is x equals to 4. What is the radius then? 2. What is the area then? 2 pi r square. 4 pi. What should be this one? The area then this one? 2 pi. Because given this is twice, no? Circle of area is twice the area of circle B. So this is 2 pi. Correct? In terms of x, what is the area of circle B? Circle B area is 2 pi, no? So now plug in everywhere x equals what we assume 4. Or you will get 2 pi here. No, not my answer. X equals 4, you plug in, will I get 2 pi? What about x equals 4? Plug in, will you get 2 pi? Yes. What's your answer? Same, no? Good. So, no, also sometime, no, you plugging some number, good number, no, it becomes easier also. If x equals to 4, then our radius must be 2. Area must be 4 pi, which means area of this must be 2 pi. It's given twice, which means the area of B must be half. Good one. Let's try this one. Yes, better. How? The area of a square region is what? How much will you get? Side. So what is the area? Okay, what about it? Hmm. 4 and 5. See, L plus B, how much given? 20. So L plus B, how much? 10. Correct, no? So what is the possibility? I can get 5 and 5 also, no? What is the answer I get? Careful, huh? Careful. Right? So now area can be 25 also. Many possibilities are there, no? So what is the answer? Correct. It could, I can say 6 into 4 also. Okay. And I can say also any other number I can say 8 into 2. 1 into 9. Many possibilities are there. Right? So my answer is this one. Good. 1, 2, there's 3 questions you go more. Question number 1. Take this one. Question taken? Not taken? Okay. Number 2. Number 3. I think we have solved this question, is it? I think we have solved it. Anyway, try this. Done? Okay, that's all. So we have only one class left. On Monday we'll complete it. So Monday same timing 7 to 8 we will complete our syllabus. So I'll tell you one website name on Monday. You should just go through that. There's something they charge 1,000 rupees for the mock test. They have a mock test. More than 10 mock tests are there. So before going for the exam, those 10 mock tests you have to solve it completely to get the good score. Okay. I can share. I can share this one. This is all the notes. No, you're saying? I can share this. I will share it. So what is left out? Yeah, I'll share it. So what is left out is left out here combination permutation, and that's all. Comprehensive drills. This is all together. All the division this is basically. Okay. Sure. Take care. Bye. Thank you.